Hello guys, this video we will show you the BSD alarm system unboxing video and how to wire for this product. Okay, let's go now. This is the manual. Is the angle for this. When you finish mounting this sensor, you need to use this angle. So here's the way to set. Two sensor. The speaker. This LED for B pillar. LED warning light for B pillar. B pillar. This GPS antenna for test the speed. If the speed over the 20 kilometer and this function, this B pillar LED lamp will not work. This air pillar line, LED line. It's the trio wire. You need to connect with the tungsten. See? The cable. This cable for the sensor. This is the bracket to fixing the sensor. This only warning box. GPS, FLD, red LED. This for connect B pillar. Right. Okay, let's connect. Let's reconnect this. So connect. This will connect the sensor. See, right and left. See, like this. Okay. Right. Disconnect with speaker. See, speaker. This brown wire connect with the reversing trigger line. This power cable, ACC, ground. See, here are two set LED. We need to connect like this. You can choose one set, left and right. Connect with 8 pillar LED lamp first. Any is okay. Any is okay. 8 pillar. See. Any left or right is okay. Here another set, left and right, left and right. You can connect here, left to left, right and right, left and left, right and right to this box. Okay, and then you can connect with this. B pill. So this box is control. It can control the passenger, the rear passenger. Open the door if we want it. When the speed less than 20 kilometers, it will alarm the passenger. Then open the car door to make sure they're safe. B pill. Pillar. Okay, B pillar like this. Okay, this for the power supply, ACC battery, ACC battery. See, and this for 12 volt. This ground. Okay. This for GPS antenna. GPS antenna. Okay. That's all. That is how is wired.